The fiscal health of higher education, a topic at a fairly quiet Capitol today. Senate Bill 100 dealing with transparency and accountability. Jay Burr was there today. He's joining us now with what this may be changing in the future for higher ed. Hey, Jay.
Yeah, good evening, Bob. Senate Bill 100 does require that institutions of higher education do post and publish all of those figures when it comes to their accounts. That way, not only can the leaders of those institutions have those readily available, but also have them available to the general public. Senate Bill 100 was brought up largely in part due to Henderson State University having financial issues in the past and the state having to bail them out of trouble. Henderson State has since been absorbed into the Arkansas State University system, where they have put a lot of items in this bill into practice already, so leadership can make adjustments when needed.
Just helps make sure everybody has a standard for this is what's important, this is what we need to be looking at as sort of our account balance, if you will, and so that everybody will know exactly where we are.
The bill adds specifics on what should be reported financially. Student accounts receivable and the number of days cash on hand are two major categories to be added to published reports. President of the ASU system, Dr. Chuck Welch, believes these transparency efforts could help institutions across the board.
Hopefully, these things that we're all couched as part of a transparency effort will just make sure that our governing boards have access to the information they need to ensure that our institutions are moving along well.
Along with publishing reports, the bill makes it a requirement to post those on institutions' websites. Dr. Welch hopes these measures will prevent any more problems like Henderson State experienced.
Let's hope so. I mean, that's the goal. Let's don't repeat the errors of the past, and hopefully this will be a step forward for everybody to make sure that we don't see those things happen again anywhere.
Now, Dr. Welch says that many of the institutions across Arkansas are already putting a lot of what is in this bill into practice already. So he says there shouldn't be a whole lot of heavy lifting or a lot of change to the way that many of the schools in the state are doing things. That bill did pass out of Education Committee. It will now go to the full Senate. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burt, KARK 4 News.
All right, Jay.